There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl A. You already know we're here to slay. Okay, girl, what? We are here to slay today. Let me make sure that I'm in crispy clear. Okay, full focus. Okay, so I hope y'all all having like a really great day. Cause it's your girl A, and we're here to slay. You already know. Okay. What's up, everybody? But seriously, I hope y'all all having like a really great day today. Today's video of the day, drum roll, is of course my people at UNICE Hair. You know they really do care. What's up, you guys? So y'all already know I rocks for UNICE. Like they are the main character, okay, on my channel. They have the best affordable units if you are on a budget. They got you covered. They got you slayed. You walking away feeling like you're top notch. Comes in one of these pretty little pink boxes that's already done for you. Like seriously, everything is done for you at UNICE. They probably do got some wigs that you gotta bleach yourself. I don't know. They got some really nice units that are already done for you. And who don't love a good done for you wig? You know, pre everything. Now, this is one of their new ones. This is one of their new ones. And of course, you do get some great quality amenities, which is an HD 2-piece, 2-pack Swiss roll. No, seriously, y'all do get an HD wig cap, 2 pieces, tape, a elastic melting band, comb, edge brush, comb, all that. And here goes the wig. Now, this is one of their new ones. I'm excited about because when I tell you, girl, UNICE, I don't think nobody messing with UNICE Hair. Now, like I said, they got some really nice units. This is one of their light Yaki wigs. Girl, she's 14 inches. She's pre-everything. Look at this hair. She's already styled for you. This one, listen, when I brushed her on a mannequin, she was looking fire. She's already done for you. The baby hairs, the swoopage. Look at that. Bam. Parting. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, okay? A removable, adjustable, elastic band so that way she fits nice and snug. Some adjustable straps in the nape, a comb, some silicone banding so your wig stays down, and bam, a drawstring. Who's giving you drawstrings these days? Like, you know, wigs. Remember when wigs first came out? Like, girl, when that was like George Washington days? Girl, you cannot tell me. If George was today alive, he would probably be like,
Excuse me, good madam. This nation's was built on freedom and flawless hair. Let me get that wig.
like seriously, these wigs have came along so well that you forget that you got on a wig. But we just gonna jump into this, okay?
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Checking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me you're the shit, but it didn't work on me. So, baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be, let it be. Forget your lies, forget your ties. I've done everything everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your hair, your dead eye stare. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye to you. Maybe for once.
This was a cute wig. So first of all, I did say it's light Yaki. It's super cute, okay? 13 by 4, okay? So you could definitely just put it on and go out the door. I did go ahead and get myself some little some sideburns right here on the side, which came out really cute. I actually did replace or reposition their baby hairs. I didn't really like them that high up. But other than that, the wig came out cute. A little bit of speckling from the knots. They're not so invisible, but honey, they work because all you have to do is put a little bit of your foundation or concealer and you're good to go. This is really a nice light Yaki texture. I like the bounce. I like how easy it is to curl. I like the parting. The cap fits really, really nice. The drawstring definitely is a plus. They have some really nice units. I like this texture of the hair. Very natural looking, very realistic looking. Not so Yaki, not so silky, in between. I like that. This has texture for sure. This came out really, really pretty. She's very full. Check out UNICE. I'll link everything down below. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. If you enjoyed this video, also leave your comments below. What do you think of this length? How would you rock her? What do you think of this unit? Is she something that you would definitely wear? Is she age appropriate and style appropriate? I love you all. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, share it, and stay safe, motivated, and be blessed. I'll see y'all in the next one and love you all.